Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you the wine glasses that I got from Amazon. These are the Svalka glasses, wine glasses by Ikea. So these are red wine glasses. They can hold a capacity of 10 ounces. Let me show you how they come in the box. So these here are the glasses as they come in the box. They are really good. So they are not very thick. They are stylish, as you see. They are really well made. They don't have like a large border here. There are no faults anywhere on the glasses. So these glasses also are dishwasher safe. Of course, always put them on the top rack in your dishwasher. And it's always better to use a gel dishwasher detergent instead of using like a powder one that can scratch the glasses. So these were the Svalka wine glasses that I got from Amazon. They are made by Ikea and they are sold on Amazon.